Good day. A warm welcome to you to the virtual tour of our manufacturing facility. Myself, Dr. Raina Raj, Head of Marketing for Natural Remedies Private Limited, would be your host today to take you through our manufacturing facility using this innovative mixed reality platform. Our manufacturing facility has four distinct units for end-to-end manufacturing processes of our finished goods starting from the raw material. Our plant head, Mr. Senthil Velan, would explain each and every unit through his short video presentation, and it will be followed by the virtual tour of the unit. First, let's see what's inside the warehouse.
At our Natural Remedies factory, we have 8 warehouses consistent of 2000 square meter capacity. Each warehouse, we can store 500 to 600 metric tons of herb. Overall warehouse capacity is 4000 metric ton.
We procure herbs from various parts of India, from the deep south to the great heights of the Himalaya. We leave no stone unturned. All the procured herbs undergo meticulous sorting and cleaning process, where all the contaminants and impurities are gotten rid of. Once the herbs are free from contaminants like mud, stone and other foreign matters, they undergo a size reduction process. Here the size of the herbs are reduced as per the requirement.
This is the interior of the warehouse. We have similar 8 warehouses of 2000 square meter capacity as told by our plant head Mr. Senthil Velan. In each warehouse, we can store 500 to 600 metric tons of herbs. The overall warehouse capacity is 4000 metric tons. The herbs sourced from various parts of the country are stored in the warehouse. The raw material later undergoes processes like sorting and cleaning, which marks the beginning of our manufacturing process. During this process, the contaminants and impurities are gotten rid of. In case of our powder products, once the herbs are free from contaminants, they undergo a size reduction process which would happen in the next unit, which is the paste powder facility. Let's see what's inside the paste powder facility.
Different types of herbs are charged into the hammer mill for primary grinding, followed by secondary grinding through pulverizer. After grinding, the powder undergoes sieving process to remove oversized particles. Then the sieved material undergo blending process to ensure the homogeneity and consistency. Finally, the blended material can be packed as per the requirement. Additionally, we have several magnetic rods to trap the iron particles from our product.
Some of our export customers expecting pathogen-free product. Here we are using steam sterilizer to control microbes.
So this is the paste powder facility, the inside of the paste powder facility. Here you can see up close the mini hammer mill powdering unit, which reduces the size of the herbs as per the requirement. Primary grinding in the mini hammer mill is followed by secondary grinding through pulverizers. Once the grinding is over, the powder undergoes sieving process using the vibro sifter. Then the sieved materials undergo blending process to ensure homogeneity and consistency with the help of plow shear mixer. Then the blended material would undergo packaging in this unit, as you can see here. In case if sterilized product is required for our customers, we have an additional facility for sterilizing the finished product. Let's take a look at our sterilizer unit. We use the steam sterilizer to control microbial load, if any, and ensure the finished product is free from microbes or well within the stringent permissible limits. Followed by sterilizing, the finished product undergo packaging, as you can see here, and the packed product is stored in the finished goods storage area. This is the finished goods storage area where the packed products would be kept, stored for supply and distribution. In case of liquid products of Natural Remedies, we have an extraction plant and a liquid section. Let's take a look at our extraction plant.
This is our extraction facility. Here our aim is to extract complete actives from the herbs. We are doing extraction process by using solvent and applying steam for temperature. Post extraction, the extracts are getting filtered through online filter. Those filtrate will go to concentration process. So what is the concentration process? Concentration process is a simple distillation process. Here the solvent is distilled in vacuum and regulated temperature. Then the concentrated extract will be dried. Here we have different types of dryer like vacuum pan dryer, rotary vacuum paddle dryer and spray dryer. Based on the product nature, we are choosing the dryer and we are drying the material. Drying process nothing but we are removing the moisture from the concentrated paste. Post drying we are getting the dried extract which we are sending to Bangalore unit for further process.
So this is the interior of the extraction plant that you have just seen in the video. Here you can see various storage tanks. Here the extraction process is done using solvents and applying steam with the help of these extractors. The extracts undergo a concentration process which we can see in the next view. These concentrators helps in distillation at vacuum at regulated temperatures. Further, it undergoes condensation with the help of these condensers. The recovered solvent goes into the solvent receiver tank and the extracts would be separated and would be pumped to the liquid section. We have an additional facility of drying the extracts as well. Let's take a look at the drying section. This is the drying section. If required, the extracts needs to be dried. We have the facility for drying. Here, based on the nature of the product, we use the type of the dryer. You can see a Z bend spray dryer up close here. We'll go up the tires and see another part of the dryer. Here you can see up close the atomizer of the spray dryer. The spray dryer atomizer is also the part of the spray drying unit. Let's see another vacuum pan dryer which also can be used based on the nature of the product. This is the vacuum pan dryer, which is additional facility that we have based on the nature of the product. We can select the dryer. Post drying, the dried extracts are used for further processing in another facility of ours. Our liquid extracts would be processed in our liquid section. Let's see what's inside the liquid section.
Our extracts are getting generated at our extraction facility. Those extracts are pumped into this liquid section for further process. Here we do filtration process by using high-speed solid bowl centrifuge. And we are using sparkler filter as a terminal filter. Those filtrates are collected into the SS storage tank. Bottles are getting washed with compressed air followed by water. Those washed bottle is to come to the filling section. After filling, the bottles are coming here for capping process. Here we do capping activity. Capped bottles will go for sealing activity. Here we do wet sealing process. This is the label section. All the products are getting labeled here. Each stage has a rigorous quality check carried out by our professionally trained quality control team.
The extracts from the extraction unit are pumped into this liquid section and it undergoes multiple filtration processes. And the filtrates are stored into the compounding vessels or storage tanks like this. From here, The finished goods undergo packaging. The products are filled into the pre-cleansed bottles in the filling unit, which you can see here, and it is followed by capping process, which happens in this capping unit that you can see. Further to this, VAT sealing and labeling is also done in the same packaging unit. This is followed by a quality check of each bottles, which would be sent to the storage area for further supply and distribution. That brings us to the end of the virtual tour of the manufacturing facility. I would like to thank all of you for patiently listening and staying along with me in this innovative virtual environment. If you have any questions, you can contact our representative in your country and we will be happy to answer them for you. Alternatively, you can also email me at raina.r@naturalremedy.com and you can expect prompt response from my side. Thank you again and have a great day ahead.